Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today in this video let us do the unboxing and hands-on overview of the Pamu unique TWS Bluetooth earphones. Unboxing the packaging, this is what we get. So first we have the earphones and the charging case. We get a USB Type-C charging cable, and then we have some ear tips, a card which shows the information about the ear tips, a quick start guide booklet. Then we have a soft and nice pouch for carrying the earphone case. Taking a look at the charging case, here you can see here we fit the earphones, and here to this side we have nothing. To this side we have the USB Type-C slot through which you can charge the earphone case, and here you have the slot in which your covers will fit. So Pamu also bundles up these skin covers for your charging case. So inside that packaging you get 3 case covers for your Pamu unique, so you can just fit this in the charging case and they look pretty good. So you have to stick the corner side of the magnetic bump to this side. So this side you need to just fit the center bumps, so like this you fit it, and then you close it like this, and here you can see the skin fits in perfectly. So you can just change the skins as you want. Pamu includes 3 skins with it. So here you can see, here we have the USB Type-C charging slot, and the skin looks pretty cool. Now here open it like this and you can just close it like this. Now if you want you can just open it like this, so it looks pretty easy and it's really funky too. Now here are the earphones. So as I have taken them from the charging case, they are in pairing mode now, so let me pair them to my smartphone. So here it asks to pair Pamu unique with my smartphone. I click pair once and then I have to click again pair for the second earphone. Now both the earphones are connected to my smartphone. So the operations are pretty easy on this earphones. You just need to tap on them. So if you want to lower the volume, just tap on the left earphone. If you want to increase it, just tap on the right earphone. If you want to skip a track, just press the right earphone for 2 seconds. If you want to go reverse, just press the left earphone for 2 seconds, etc. So all these controls will be mentioned in the user manual itself. These earphones fit really well in the ears, and they're really comfortable too, so you can use them long hours and you won't feel that you're wearing an earphone. So apart from the regular charging cable, you get the wireless charger for the Pamu unique, which is really nice. As generally earphones don't get wireless charging, but Pamu unique has wireless charging, which is really good to know, which is really good feature. So here is the wireless charger inside the box. So you can just plug the USB Type-C to your adapter and you can just keep your earphones on them and they'll get charged. So this is the booklet that comes with the wireless charger of the Pamu unique, and here it shows how to use it. So you can nowadays we all use wireless chargers to charge our phones, etc. So here we have connected the wireless charging pad to the Pamu unique. Now you can just keep this on the wireless charger and it will charge your earphones. So guys, we have been using these earphones for past 1 week and we feel that they offer some really cool features that even the higher priced earphones don't offer, such as wireless charging, replaceable skins, and etc. So this looks quite cool. And coming to the sound is really loud. The vocals are crisp, so as per sound quality, these earphones easily match the earphones that are priced almost double of this. So guys, that was a quick video of the Pamu unique. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net. We'll be putting up the full review of the same in the description, so go and check that out. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.